Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 88. If we start with this box, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 6. For this box, we're missing 6, 7, and 8. We've got a 6 here and an 8 here, so this is our 7. That 6 makes this our 8, 6. For this column now, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 9, 7. For this box, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 6, 9. For this column now, we're missing a 2. For this box, we're missing 1 and 4, and I don't see any help. So 1, 4, 1, 4. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, and 8. We've got the 1 here, so 4, 8. 8 here and 4 here means this is our 1, 4, 8. And that 4 makes this our 1. If we look at this column, we're missing 4, 6, 8, and 9. We've got the 8 and 9 here, so 4, 6, 4 and 8 here. So that would make this 5, 9. No. Would make it 6, 9. We've got 6, 8, and 9 here. So this is our 4. That makes this our 6, 9, 8. For this box now, we're missing 2, 3, and 4. We've got a 2 covering this box and a 2 covering this box, so our 2 must be here. I don't see any other help, so 3, 4, 3, 4. For this box, we're missing 5, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 covering these 2 boxes. So 5, 7, 5, 7, and that means our 6 must be here. For this row now, we're missing 5 and 7, and I don't see any help. So 5, 7. For this row, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 6, 9. For this column now, we're missing 3, 4, and 8. We've got 4 and 8 here, so this is our 3. 8 here, so 4, 8. That 4 makes this our 3, 4. For this top row now, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 5, 9. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 3 here. So 7, 3. That 7 makes this our 5, 7, 5. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 7. For this row, we're missing a 9. For this row, we're missing 7. And to finish out this box, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 3 and 4. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.